Hey, this is Mike with a quick tip on Game Creator 2, all about clipping. So there's a chest here on the other side of the wall that you don't want the player to see. But we'll see that our character is in this room, and we're going to see if we can actually see that through the wall by default. So I've got a third-person controller set up for Game Creator 2 here, and we're just going to go right over to the wall, and by default the camera clips right through the wall. So there's two things that need to be done to fix this. First of all, we go to the main camera settings and we set avoid clip to zoom in, and now we'll see if that fixes it. That still does not fix it though. So it's supposed to avoid clipping, but it still clips. Why is that? Well, the problem is in the third-person controller in the camera shot. The issue is this shoulder offset is applied after any of the no clipping logic, I believe. So it'll do the no clipping logic, and then it'll apply this offset so that the camera still clips through the wall. So to fix that, we cannot use a shoulder offset. We would have to put a 0 there so that it doesn't do any offsets. And so then once that is applied, we can see it still clips through, but not as badly. So there's one last thing we need to do to fix this, and that's to go back to the main camera and change the clipping plane, the near clipping plane, to 0.01. And now we can see there is no more clipping. And now the player cannot see that chest anymore, and they're going to have to go through to the other side of the wall. So that's just a quick tip on clipping. I've seen people have that problem, so that's my solution for it. So that's it for today, and we'll see you in the next one.